Hello friends, welcome to Janam Software. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of customer login. Actually, this is part 7 of our NBFC training video, and in this I'm going to cover basically customer login, and I will just show you a small part where you can upload your credit score report because that was not covered in the earlier section. So let's get started. To create the customer login, first of all, you need to search the customer. Okay, whosever customer login you want to set. Now, customer login can be set by the admin. So you search for the customer. Say I want to add a login for customer 3. I'm going to edit this. Now, customer login is created on mobile number. So I add a mobile number. Okay, I add a mobile number and I say create login. Okay, and actually I'll save this also. So login is created for this mobile number. Now first of all, let me check if customer 3 has any loans or anything, so that we can see it when he logs in. Yes, actually he has. Okay, so now we edited and we've already created the login. So now you must be wondering, what is the password for the login? So the username will be the mobile number, and the default password will be 1234. Okay, so what you will tell your customer is, so you will just add sorry, actually I don't remember the password, so let me log in again. Mobile number. Okay, so that was customer 3. Customer 3, see, this was the login ID. So that it's not email, it's their mobile number 1 2 3 and 4. So when you log in, this is the customer login. Now this is what the customer can see. Now once he logs in, you can tell him that they can change the password from here. Okay, then he'll be able to see what loans he has applied. Okay, now there's only one loan here that the customer can see. Now what all can the customer see? He can see the entire loan summary here, and there's also a details portion where he can see what amount he has paid, and who has collected that amount from him or her. Now also he or she can pay online using our digital payment facility. So he can also, once this loan is over, he can apply for another loan using the same username and password. So as of now, his application is not allowed because already one loan is going on for him. But once that loan is done, he can apply for the loan. So friends, this was the customer login. Now I'll just quickly show you the credit score report from where it can be uploaded. Okay, so to upload the credit score report, first of all, in master setup document list, you need to add the credit score report document. Okay, here I am going to add credit score report. Here I'm going to add this. So once this document is added, okay, once this document is added, let's see what, yes, I didn't have the patience, so it's added twice, so I'm going to just remove. Okay, so it's added here. Now what you can do is you can just search for the customer here. You can just search for the customer. In upload documents, you can just add the credit score report. Number will always be 1 here, or even you can leave it blank. Add without file, upload file. Now you again search for the customer, that is customer 3, and you can see that credit score report document will be added. So just when you click on verify, okay, it will just ask you to check that all the information is correct. Don't forget to read this information, because at least one NID is important to get the credit score report. At the same time, the date of birth, the mobile number that is provided should be the same, or it should be appropriate one. Okay, then when you say continue to verify, the what happens is Genome software pulls data from a CRIF database, and in this document number a report is generated, and that will be your credit score report, which will show you the eligibility of the customer. Okay, so because it's a third party service, we won't be able to show it to you, but you can actually see the report, and you can see all the the inquiry list, the inquiry history list, from where the customer has taken the loan, if he has defaulted it, everything can be shown in, everything is shown in that report. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and do not forget to use our 12-day trial version. Now we have all the training videos on YouTube, so do have a look at them, and try Genome software. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.